Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Sports Direct promo codes which are available and you can use them and are working as well. So first of all, head to the Google or open a browser. Let's say I'm using Chrome. So just go to the URL section and just write down this exact website inside this section, which is called couponfollow.com, and press enter. And once you press enter, you will be redirected to this website, exact same couponfollow.com. So make sure to from this section just go to the search section on the right side, and in this section you just need to write down the name of the website, sportsdirect.com, or you can just simply write down sports direct, and you will see the website. As you can see, Sports Direct, just click on it in our case, which is the one. So once you click it, as you can see, like 393 people have voted about it and 4.2 rating, which means that majority of the codes are working most of the time. Some of them might not be working as a lot of people are trying, so they just get to the limit. As you can see, like on the right side you can see best coupon code, and this is the basically list which is updated for September 26, which means that these are promo codes working for today. You can just scroll down. Let's say I want 70% off. Just click on show coupon code, and once you click here you will get the code. As you can see, this is the offer. If you want to get to the offer, just click on continue to this offer. Let's say I want to go with the 20% off. You can just copy the code at extra 20, go to their website and paste it and use that promo code. Otherwise you can just, let's say I want to go with this coupon code, just click it and you will see a link, redeem at Sports Direct. You can just directly click it and you will be redirected to this website. So make sure to try multiple promo codes, whichever works for you, and get the discount for Sports Direct.